Hi, in the last video I covered how to write a hello world program using um, options API, but in this one I'm going to use the compositions API, which is a lot more the new latest one and which is a lot more popular. So here what I'm going to do is, instead of like with the options API you need an open and close script tag, but here you need a script setup, um, which is the opening tag, and then that's the close tag. So now you have to import a few things. So for example, if you want to use refs, then what is a ref? You will see the next subsequent lines, but import ref from Vue. Okay. So now where does this Vue get its value? It's from the import map. You have the Vue, so it has all the JavaScript library out here. So it is making use of that. It's like our namespace or assemblies that we have in object-oriented programming. So now what next I should do is write the actual like we had data options group in case of options API, but here it's a lot more straightforward, where you say if you have to declare a variable constant, okay, give the variable a name. In our case it's message, okay, equal to ref, and then you have the open and close bracket hi. That's it. Now your variable is declared. Now, like our JavaScript, plain JavaScript, or even our object-oriented programming like C#, we can define a function like this. So that's why the composition API is gaining more importance or traction, because it looks very similar to the famous programming style. So here I can say get message, and then I pass the variable that I need, like name for example, and then I say open and close bracket. So now there is one difference here, like a quirkiness like what you have in options, where you always have this. In this case, in case of compositions API, whenever you use ref and you have to assign value to that particular variable, the variable in this case is message, so I have to use message dot value that is equal to hi, which is my standard string, plus, and then I do the dollar name. That's it. So now I'm passing a value. Whatever value I pass here, it gets passed to my message, which is nothing but my variable here. So let me add enter here. Now the equivalent for the next one we had was hook. So here we are going to use mounted. So in compositions API, anything like mounted will have on attached to it. So on mounted, okay, open and close bracket, I'm going to write a arrow function inside this. So so variables get passed like this, then you have a arrow sign here, then your body. Okay, so within the body I'm going to call get message. I'm going to say now and again. That's all. So you have this on mounted that would get triggered, but then yes, here it automatically added that, but you can put both of these things together in one line, comma. That's it. So now you can remove this. So that's something. Now you have the next section, which is a template for the component. So here I'm going to put the p tag. Now other things are simple, like I just add message. That's it. So the same concept, like we have a hi message. So we have the initial variable here, and then you have to ref it, and then let's see, let's try to remove and see what happens. Okay, so that becomes an error because it's not initialized. So you have to say ref of something, like I can even put a blank space, and then once you put ref, you can use value to assign the actual value further on. So that's the main difference. Here you don't have this keyword, but if you have to use ref for variable assignment, the value assignment, and then you can use it as per your wish. So that's the main difference between options API and composition API. In further tutorials, we will see how we will use composition API for building components and other things like comparing the ref with a reactive state and all that. Thanks for watching.